That's the best sleep you can get, and under the usually you had a bit of a roof, but you were out in nature. Really. Look at the stars.
I feel easy. What do you think? Should I need a massage?
Meistens warte ich. Aber heute habe ich es schon vom Mittag, muss man sagen. Ja, Mittag ist schon morgen um 6 Uhr.
They also have a Lisa. They are only eat breakfast morning. They are only open. I think it's a bar, not a restaurant.
Yeah, that's what's on the side. Look.
This one. Maybe we can find it here.